Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Firstly, I just want to show you my new t-shirt. If you don't know the reference, we can't be friends. I bought it myself and I love it. Anyway, so today I have an unboxing for you and it is the Pip Box. The Pip Box is a monthly beauty subscription box and it is all cruelty free, which I absolutely love. I bought a subscription. I think I did like a 3-month subscription, so I got it slightly cheaper, but I'll link everything down below. If I can find any discount codes, I'll add one of those here for you. I haven't got one. This is all paid for by me. It's nothing to do. They don't know who I am. They don't care. But yeah, I thought I would show you guys what's inside. I've just noticed on the bottom it's got a domestic nail thing and it says nail varnish, so I think because like you have to declare when you post nail varnish, so that means there's nail varnish in it. Off the top of my head I can't remember how much it is, but I think this is the 3rd or the 4th one that I've had and I've absolutely loved them so far. It looks like this. They always look really pretty and it's a teeny tiny box, but they pack in loads. So the first thing I've got is Dr. Botanicals Grapefruit and Watermelon Cleanser. Ooh, that sounds amazing. I'll have to put the prices on the screen because I thought you got like a little thing telling you about it, but maybe not. Vegan, cruelty free, 98.9% natural. Bloody love that. Bloody love that. Oh, I've just ripped it. Whoops. So what do we do with you? To activate the jelly, wet your hands or a cotton pad with your finger. Take one generous pump of the jelly to a cotton pad or your fingertips and massage into the eye area to remove makeup. Wash away. Oh, have a look. Oh my god, oh wow, it smells amazing. It is like full, it's full jelly. Oh wow. Boop, boop, boop. It smells absolutely amazing. I am so excited to try that. I've got makeup on today. This is literally the first time I've worn makeup since 2020. I'm going to use that tonight and I'll put it on the screen if I've used it by the time. I might edit this first and this video might go up before I take my makeup off. I don't know. But I'll either put it on the screen if I've used it or I will pin it on a comment or in the description to let you know. But that sounds amazing. Next, I've got Nutriburst plant-based gummy vitamins, sugar-free, vegan-friendly. I think that's just like there's 2 in there. Is it 1 a day or 2 a day? That's quite funny. It says, do not exceed the recommended daily dose. Excessive consumption can produce laxative effects, so it'll give you the shits. Keep these gummies out of sight from young children as 12 because they are your gummy vitamins, damn it. They're not sweeties. Let's have a little... Really should take vitamins and I don't. I assume the daily dose is 2 because there's 2 in it. But we'll see if I get the shits later. They're good. Okay, next. I assume this is the nail varnish because it's wrapped up in the booble wrap. And it's Nails Ink. Get out of your plastic prison. 45-second speedy gloss. Fly by at Victoria. It's a beautiful colour. I love these kind of nude colours. So let's have a little... I'm going to paint it on one finger and just see what it's like. We'll see if it is. I assume that means it'll be dry in 45 seconds. Let's have a look on my camera. Right, I'll do 45 seconds from now and we'll check. But it's just a nice nude. Oh, I love it. Next, I've got an Aveda Nutriplenish Leave-In Conditioner, all hair types. Shake well, lightly mist onto damp hair. See what it smells like. Oh, it smells good. Oh, that smells lovely. I like that. Next, I've got, Skin Fed 100% natural organic creamy face scrub with black seed. Unclogs pores, gets rid of dry cells, replenishes moisture and instantly healthy glowing skin. Have an exfoliator that cleans pores, buffs away dry skin and keeps your skin cleared thanks to the milled organic black seeds. Your skin will look glowing. Apply 2 to 3 times a week. Is it going to be black? Oh, it looks nice. Look. Oh, she blobbed. Smells good. Oh, I'm excited to use that as well. I've got so much nice skincare at the moment to use. Lush balls. It is dry. Oh my god, I'm gonna remove the shit nail varnish that has been on my nails for, not joking, like 2 months. And I'm gonna paint my nails nicely. And the last thing I've got was a replenishing multi-acid peel by Murad. Shake well in the evening, dispense onto cotton pad and sweep over face, neck and chest. Do not rinse. Use with Murad sunscreen during the day. Slight tingling is normal. Ooh! Daily biphase peel accelerates cell renewal by 33% in 7 days. It's a teeny tiny little sample because Murad is expensive as shit. And it's like, can you see the 2 tones? So it's got like, and then you have to like emulsify it. Oh, I'm excited to try that. Very, very heavy on the facial skincare, but I'm happy about it. I don't mind at all. I've got a 10% off the Nutriburst vitamins. Oh, I'm going to go and buy some vitamins here, and then 20% off Aveda. So that's nice. That was the Pip Box. I can't believe that nail varnish. Look, it's so lovely. It's such a nice nude colour. My nails are just shocking. I've got lots of paint because I painted my bedroom yesterday. So I'm covered in paint and then crap nail varnish. So I'm going to go and do this. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big fat thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye, guys.